Hey everyone, it's Fred. Welcome back to AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. Today, I'm showing you how to make longer videos using Sora 2, even though it only lets you generate 10-second clips. Yep, we're breaking that limit today. If you've been trying to use Sora 2 to make actual video content, you've probably hit one annoying wall. Every clip it gives you is only 10 seconds long. But today, I'm going to show you how to go beyond that limit and make longer, seamless videos using Sora 2. Let's dive in. Start by generating your first video clip in Sora 2. For example, my video is going to be an anime sword fight between two warriors. I'll prompt Sora to end the scene with one of the fighters falling down dramatically. Once it's done generating, download that clip. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to grab the last frame of that video. Just upload your clip here in ChatGPT and ask it to extract the final frame as an image file. Then, download that image. It's going to be your bridge to keep the next scene perfectly consistent. Now, head back into Sora 2 and upload that final frame you just downloaded. Then, write your next prompt. But make sure it starts by describing how your last clip ended. In my example, since the last clip ended with a fallen warrior, my new prompt will be, the fallen warrior quickly gets back up and resumes the sword fight with full energy. And boom, here's the second clip that Sora 2 generates. Now, it's time to merge your clips. Open your favorite video editor, like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro, and place the clips back to back. Congrats! Your video just went from 10 seconds to 20 seconds. And you can keep going forever if you want. You can repeat this process endlessly, chaining clips together while keeping the same characters, same setting, and same cinematic style. Each video Sora gives you comes with a moving watermark, so make sure you subscribe, because in my next tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the watermark and even get code access to Sora itself. This is Fred from AI Builders Academy, where we learn, build, and innovate with AI. See you in the next one, and remember, the only limit is your prompt.